Let me ask you a question. Do you want to spend your nights consciously living out your fantasies? Do you want to explore the infinite possibilities of your subconscious? You dream every night, so why not make the most of it? What if you had the ability to do anything you could ever dream of while you sleep every night? If you're like me, then you must have a heap of things you'd love to experiment with if you only had the power. Imagine the possibilities for fun and personal development you would have. So many things to try, from flying and sex to transforming into an animal and meeting your heroes. How would your life change if you had access to this limitless testing ground every night? What would you do? What could you learn? I want to show you how to start having lucid dreams consistently using a scientifically created method. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's face it, when it comes to lucid dreaming, there's 1,000,001 books, guides, methods, communities out there with so much different information. It's hard to know where to start and what works. It can feel like a giant labyrinth of information. Lucid dreaming is so exciting and so tempting, but because of the difficulties in having lucid dreams, a lot of people never get to experience them. With so many different ways to go, and each of them having their own difficulties, it's hard for a beginner to know where to start. You've got to pick a technique and work at it before you get results, but which technique should you try, and how long is it going to be before you see any results? These are the reasons why I put together this course on a scientifically created way to induce lucid dreams. We're going to learn how to use this method, which is used in sleep labs all over the world by scientists studying lucid dreaming, so that you can start having lucid dreams right now. Stop wasting your time and effort sifting through and trying out the 1,000,001 guides and techniques that are out there. In this course, you're going to learn how to hack your sleep routine so you can maximize your chances of having lucid dreams. Pick up the skills which are going to make you lucid regularly, such as reality testing and identifying dream signs. And then you're going to discover the tricks to hacking the dream world once you are lucid, so that you can have exponentially longer lucid dreams filled with all the people, things and powers you could ever dream of. I've packed this course full of videos, tutorials, and you can even download the audio. And on top of all this, I've saved the biggest bonus for last. With this course, you're going to be getting access to a program which is the most powerful analytical tool for lucid dream induction out there. This spreadsheet will become your one-stop shop for lucid dream induction, allowing you to track and analyze your dream data and your skill development. This thing is worth the cost of the course all by itself. And in case that wasn't enough, the course is backed by Udemy's 100% money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can return it and get your money back. Start living your lucid dreaming adventures now. Open up the underworld of endless possibility that is just waiting for you to become lucid. Begin exploring the infinite possibilities for growth and fun that are waiting for you every night. Are you ready? Then let's go.